In primetime news this evening, 20,000 jabs per day. Health Ministry details vaccination plan and ambition. Asthma protocols. Health officials say asthmatic teens should not have been denied treatment. Protocols to be examined. And more deaths, less funeral. Debate on burial ban continues.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. We have sports commentary, E-Prime, and of course the weather report and forecast. But before the break, here's our feedback question. What are your fondest memories of Bunny Wailer? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can tweet at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.